Say sorry.
Hi.
Say sorry, mommy.
Hi. Hi.
Say, I will not repeat.
Big.
Say, I'm very sorry. No, back. Back, Ben. Can you say, I'm very sorry, mommy? So while I was busy cooking my dinner, this is some fish common in Turkey. I was super excited because it was dinner time, and I always enjoyed doing my dinner and actually learning new stuff, cuisines here and there. And while I was still cooking, I was in the kitchen. The kids were in the sitting room. One was on her, like she was playing with her toy, and the other one was on mobile phone playing games. So I knew I was keeping an eye on them, and I knew they are actually okay. They are playing. Little did I know that there is a mess and something has happened. So I rushed when I heard the boy trying to call me, Mommy, Mommy, come and see. When I came, I found this little girl. What she has done, she went to the room where I normally do my stuff, and then she sat on the chair. She took, like, she opened my, not even opened, my laptop was open, like it was on the desk, and she literally removed everything. As you can see, guys, she literally removed everything, and I had to figure out how to do it, to fix it. She removed the keyboards. She removed, not the keyboard, she removed these buttons for the keyboards, and I had to actually pick them down because they were fallen all over, and it was a mess, a big mess. And I had a client's work and other things that I needed to do during this day, and it was so much frustrating, guys. I can't even believe you guys. If you are a mom, you are working from home, you will understand me, and you're gonna bear with me, and also you will actually agree with me that it's not easy. It's very challenging, it's very tricky. Handling kids, trying to do your own stuff, your own projects, and working is not easy. Even if it is just something little, it's not easy. So this is what happened, and I want to show you how I actually ended up fixing this. And bear in mind, I'm not a technician, but I love to try to give it a try. Okay, see, she literally removed everything, and I'm trying to return them back. So what I've done, I've opened a Google sheet here. Okay, and I'm trying to check which letter, because I'm not a technician, so I have to check. For instance, this one is letter S. Okay, this is letter S. So I need to find letter S here. It's not here, and I have arranged them here, all of them. So this is letter S. I'm gonna pick this one, and then I need to find these two. Okay, what I'm doing is trying to put them together like this. Okay, just fixing all of them together like this. Once I'm done with that one, I'll put here, okay, like so, and then I'm gonna add in the letter S. Okay, so this is just how I'm adding in. Once I'm done, I'll try to fix like that. Okay, and it's hectic because you need to be sure, like this one is not well fixed, so I have to fix it again. So now I have tried to fix everything, as you can see, but there is a problem. As you can see, this one, I have this, but the bottom ones are missing. Two of them, like the two, they are missing. They're missing for this one, and for this one. So I have three of them which are missing, actually, the inside ones. So far this is the list that I was trying to use just to capture what, to see, like if I want to see which letter I'm using, then I'll just have to do again. I noticed something on this one, like these ones, they are not functioning. I think my girl pressed a lot, and then it just, I don't know what happened. So I'll have to figure out what to do, but so far so good. Most of them, they are working. All of them that I have actually used, they are all working. Okay, so this is the problems of having to work when you have little kids. It's just sometimes it's, I don't know what to say. All of them, they are working. None, all of them, like all of them, they are actually working. I have tested all of them, they are working, apart from these three which are not responding. So I'll have to figure out how to use this one, or to actually get something else. Yeah, so those the challenges that we face when you start working from home. You're gonna have a lot of problems with kids. So after she spoiled everything, she's here demanding for some tea, and she want my tea. She doesn't want her own tea. She want my tea, plain tea. Anijim, why did you remove my laptop? Why did you destroy my laptop? Huh? Napkin? Say sorry.
Hi.
Say sorry, mommy.
Hi. Hi.
Say, I will not repeat.
Bitch.
Say, I'm very sorry. No. Back. Back, Ben. Can you say, I'm very sorry, mommy? Can you say, I'm sorry? I'm sorry, mommy.
Hi.
Say, I will not repeat.
Cock.
Tamam. Ben çok seviyorum, tamam mı? Tamam anneciğim. Ben çok seviyorum. I love you. Can you say I love you?
Alright.
Say I love you.
Alright.
She's very stubborn. She's
Not.
she wants his own chai. Chai. Why do you like my chai?
Dad.
Is it good? Do you like it?
Dad.
Do you like it?
Dad.
Bad girl.